So here we are at ProLine by the Fire 2019. I've never been to this event. I'll surely be back though. It's pretty crazy. I'm going to show you why here. This is Scale City.
Actually, the gentleman that made this, his name is Renee, and he is an amplifier. Yeah, but
I have to show you this build. This is outrageous.
So we're moving more towards the crazy stuff. That's what I meant. Yeah, so he's a little bit more hard.
That one, best trailer and best of show. It's pretty much a complete actual recreation of the truck featured in Mad Max Fury Road. It's amazing. This whole place is amazing. Look at these rocks. They've got everyone here. Axial, Red Cat, Element, Vanquish, RC 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, race tractor!
Everyone. People recognize the race tractor. That's cool. Going to go over to Vendors Row here, get a look at everything. It's an amazing group of people, and I'm having an amazing time. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. Hanging out with the Night Customs people. James has got a lot of fun stuff here.
And I think I'm going to go back to the amber spot just to scale points.
He's doing business. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging right now.
You know, are you doing your concession speech now, or are you waiting until?
You're not. He's ruining my vlog. He's already made fun of me in his own, I'm sure. Scum.
And
He has no idea that his wife hates him.
I'm waiting to get my autograph from Harley, is what I'm doing right now.
That's funny, I only signed boobs.
that we could satisfy that here.
So when Josh realized that he wasn't allowed to change his throttle endpoint in the slowest truck part of the competition, his face changed. Went from very happy to very sad. Don't record me recording you.
It's like a fourth wall break.
So awkward.
Let's go that way.
We're finding the U4 track.
Right from up there.
We got cars to rally.
We're walking the course that we're potentially going to do. There's a lot of turns, a lot of aggressive turns. Apparently we have to run with the truck, and seeing that we're both hobbled, it's going to make it not so interesting to watch. We're timing this? We're going to time it?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope there's no points removed for parts coming off. I'm so broken I can barely walk this course, let alone drive a truck on it. So I just won the coin flip. I'm allowed to choose if I want to go first or if I want to make Josh go first.
Keep your eyeballs out for him. There is a rock out there with a cut in the center.
I think I'm going to go first.
Around the cone.
I'm going to do it.
Obstacle number 2.
I'm going to do it.
So really, with the course design, so you kind of just follow the trail.
He's going down. Because if that's all the faster you're going, I'm going to win this.
Sure, you'll be able to get more than one run. So don't
This run's going pretty good.
Yeah.
He's doing a lot better than I thought he was going to do. See which way he bombs down this hill.
Harley, you cheater. Right here, right here. Yep.
Yes! Yes!
340. Once you're on that sheet, then you will be doing it in that.
There's no penalties for rollovers, right?
Wrong!
Yeah, you want to show them.
340. 340.97. Oh, what? You know, there's the course you're supposed to be following, right?
Fusion. Again, this is the ProLine vehicle out here.
Up and over, or around. Go. Take your time. You're good on time.
Oh!
No!
Yes! Oh!
Yeah, so look at the V. There you go. Oh, nice. Take your time. Oh, man.
Oh no! Oh no! Yes!
We'll say one more.
I think it was 20 something. I mean,
340.
340.
But you lost the wheel. That's got to be another 30 seconds. Darn it! Darn it! Darn it!
Hour to try and pull this
There were a few moments where I thought I had him. He went a little bit faster. I can't believe he beat me. Actually, I'm a little stunned, if I'm honest. But
All right, 1 minute and counting, everybody. Let's line them up, line them up, line them up, line them up.
okay, now the slowest truck. I think I'll be able to get him on the slow stuff. We'll see. We'll see. So this is the slowest portion of the race. We're gonna go from there to this line here without stopping, no extreme turning. We're gonna see who's got the gearing set the lowest.
Oh, was that a stop? I really should have put some expo in this. Put no expo. Ibuprofen.
I think he's broken again. Yes, quite broken. So he won the U4, which we should wait. We should wait that higher.
Yeah, time-wise, of course.
Yeah, and I won the slow race, and I'm definitely going to win scale points.
What else could we do? We planned all of this out, but I'm just trying to remember what we planned.
You're right. Yeah. What did we forget?
Right. I mean, it's just like a straight up down and back drag race.
Yeah, we can do that.
This could be a Canadian upset, eh?
I can't believe it. It looked very good in the air. It looked very good in the air. I was very impressed with how well it went. You know, Josh, we could just call this a draw if you wanted to avoid embarrassment.
I mean, we'd really have to figure out some weighting, but just to make it fair.
Possibility. It's not really my style to gloat, but victory! So here I am back after ProLine by the Fire 2019. What an incredible trip. I really enjoyed myself. I think that this is going to be one of the premier events that I'm going to try to attend every year from now on. I had an amazing time. It was so great to see everybody. It was so great to participate in the monthly Mayhem Challenge with Josh. As you can probably tell from the vlog, I won 3 out of the 4 events that we hosted for monthly Mayhem Ultra Fusion edition. Even if we weight the Ultra 4 race as high as 40% of all the total points, I still win. I'm pretty sure that I won this one. I don't think Josh really thought that I was going to be able to win the drag race, and he was really banking on winning that, and if he had, he would obviously have been crowned the champion for sure. But because he only won the Ultra 4 portion, and I was able to take home all the points for scale points, and the slow drag, and the fast drag, which we also did 2 out of 3, I'm pretty sure that we can say I'm the champ. Be sure to look down below for the new t-shirt crowning me as the champ of Monthly Mayhem ProLine Ultra Fusion Edition. Thank you again to ProLine for providing the FusionSC short course truck, and RCNerds for providing me so many great parts to make that race tractor look as good as it did. I am really super chuffed. I'm now 2 monthly Mayhems ahead of Josh. Josh did put up a very good effort though, and his truck looked really good. It definitely had its moments. It was really great in that Ultra 4 race. I think he's just a little heavy on the trigger. So I think that's it for this monthly Mayhem. We capped it off with another victory. I'm very happy with the results, and I'm super happy with the final look of this truck. I think we need to do a running video of this Power Wagon to sort of celebrate, so we're gonna get out there. We'll do that real soon. We have some really great ideas coming up for the next monthly Mayhem. It's going to be, well, Mayhem, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.